Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you guys how you guys can make a Discord bot without coding on your iPhone device. First of all, you want to search up Discord Developer Portal and click on the first link. Now click on Get Started, and now you're going to scroll down and click on Create App. If you don't see Create App, you can click on the three lines in the top left corner and click on Applications and then New Application. Now, you're going to make a name for your bot. This doesn't matter. Now, you're going to go ahead and have to agree to that term and service. And now, you've made your bot technically. Let's get coding first, but we don't need to code at all. So, let's just, first of all, you want to go down here. And you can go ahead and name it, make a description, make a photo if you want. But if you don't, you're done. You go back. And then now you're going to hold on to the bot you made. So for example, we just made the FHFJDJ bot. Hold it and then tap on that link. And then now you can go in the three dots in the top left and click on bot. Now you can scroll down, click on reset token. If it doesn't say reset token and it says copy token, then just click copy token. Now this token, you shouldn't give it to anyone. I just gave it there because why not? I don't really need this bot. But these options right here, you have to turn on. I forgot to do them, but make sure all of those are on that I just scrolled past. And then now you want to choose what the permission will be. I will choose administrator because I want it to do whatever I want. Now you're going to go to the App Store, search up Discord Designer Bot, and you're going to click on that purple one right there. Click on Get and Download. When it downloads, you can click on Open. And now you're going to let it load. And now that you're in, once you scroll past and click done, you can click on create new bot. And then now you can name the bot whatever you'd like. This is going to be the name that it shows up. And then the bot token is the one that you just copied earlier. So go ahead and paste that in there. If you need to, you can click on the allow paste button. But now you're going to click on the agreed terms of service and the Discord terms of service. Now you're going to create your bot. Now you're going to click on the bot you just created. And now that you're here, you have a few options. You can invite the bot to your Discord server or add free hosting time, but you're going to go to the bottom and click on the commands. And when you make a new command, this is what you're going to do. The name, it's just for you. No one's going to see this. And now you're going to put whatever you want the command to be. So for example, if you type exclamation mark hello, and now you can tell the bot to mention the user, and you could send a reply. So this is what the bot will reply. If you put $username, it will basically say the username of whoever made the typed out the command. I'll show you soon. But now you can go ahead and do more settings here if you'd like. And now you create the command. And then now here, this is for, you don't really need to worry about any of this. You can just go ahead and click on Save Command. And now that your command is done, you can go ahead and invite it. So go ahead and invite your Discord bot. And then now when you're here, you're going to go ahead and, put whatever you'd like your bot to be able to do. And then add it. Go ahead and verify you're a human because whatever. And then now your bot should be in your Discord server. Now that you're here, if you do try to type in whatever you'd like, it may not work. Why? Because you need to go back to the app. When you go back to the app, you realize that it says you need hosting time. So this app is paid, but you have free hosting time by just clicking the add free hosting time. Type in the CAPTCHA code. And there you go. I just got 30 minutes of free hosting. So when you go back, you can just go ahead and type hello. And there you go. Now your bot is working. Thank you.